Bitcoin game over. Are we going to $15,000, $10,000? This is the end for the crypto world? Well, we'll see. If you want to know everything about the crypto world, smash the like button. Click the like button because it's time for crypto news. Fun on the right, crypto a tope. The other day, the last crypto news, we were just having a look at the chart for Bitcoin and we were not happy because we had this red alert and the death cross for Bitcoin, which is awful news. We're gonna have it today. It's going to be a reality also for the moving averages of 220 in the weekly. Bad news for Bitcoin, also for Ethereum with its own death cross there too. And we told you in the past that there was a line we shouldn't lose and we lost it. If you want to know that, just go to our channel. But now on Altcoin Daily, they are telling us about a new line, the game over line, the final one. And this is the $15,000. The idea from Benjamin Cohen and Altcoin Daily guys there is that if we lose that line, well, we have no place for support anymore. And we might go to the $10,000 line or even lower. So still, the worst possible scenario for Bitcoin, a reality. Can it be still? Well, remember, we had this chart with TradingView. You have the link in the description below. And if we are doing just the same we did when we last went to an all-time high for Bitcoin, well, we still have this possibility of having Bitcoin in around $10,000. We were so happy because we lost this path here in June, but now we are like kinda going back to the same point. And remember that the chart can't be exactly the same. Anyways, this is just a possibility. Remember, this is not financial advice. It all depends in the market. So many things to consider, variables, also the psychological mind for the market. And these guys telling us that we might enter in depression now if we lose that line. So everybody trying to pray so we don't miss that line. It would be good if we don't lose this neck for the double top pattern we were talking about. That will bring us to $20,000. Remember, losing the $25,000 line will be a very bad sign that tells us that we might go to that $15,000. But my opinion, everybody has one, this is not financial advice, is that it's not going to be that bad. Why? Well, because we are comparing the situation right now with the last time we had elections in United States. Presidential elections is going to be November the 4th. So remember, this is the chart of Bitcoin comparing with the last time we had that situation. It's true that we went down that time and we might go there to the $20,000 line. So, well, that's so close to 15. So maybe it's a possibility, still in the cards. But remember, we had all the COVID fiasco. So we'll see. Allegedly, we don't have it right now, even though we just told you in past videos, watch them all the crypto news and smash the like button, that maybe we're going to have a woman as president in United States and also a new COVID. Why? Because allegedly this is good for elections. This is good for manipulation because they have a lot of people sending the vote through mail and that's easier to manipulate later on. So we'll see. Any case, if we are going to have the same exact scenario, March 2024 will be the worst, and then we'll start going up again. But remember, we have the halving for Bitcoin, and we expect Bitcoin being at the all-time high again by April 2024. We'll see about that. Here you can see the Nasdaq, and you can see that we are going up as we did also at that time, then the drop of the COVID, and then we keep on going up. So again, we are confident that things are going to be bright for Bitcoin in the future, but we'll see. We believe in this chart that I want as a picture in my room. So every time I woke up, I will see it. All-time high for April 2024, the next all-time high for April 2025. That's what I pray for. And we'll see. Remember, the trend for Bitcoin monthly is still positive, and we believe that we are following the path from 2015, 2016. So we will start eventually this long summertime for crypto, also for Ethereum. Remember last video we told you about this possibility of the next all-time high in $10,000 for one Ethereum. In order to have that, we need to break first the $26,000 line. And we wonder now that we are going to have a decision of the Fed about raising the rates or not. What's going to happen with dollar? And I think we're going to go down. So Bitcoin will go up a little bit right now to this line. And why is that? Well, I compare the last time dollar started going up with this going up and this last one here. So if that's so, just the amount of days that we are far from the Fed decision right now, we started going down and going down. So I expect the new period of decreasing for dollar at least to 103.6. We'll see about that. And remember that if we go to the 1 hour chart and compare dollar with Bitcoin, the relationship between ups and downs is still so tight. If you want to buy some crypto because you believe right now is the moment, well, I recommend you CoinX, which is the easiest way of buying crypto. Partners of FunOntheRide, thank you very much, CoinX. And also follow them on their Twitter account in Spanish because they have now a contest there, a draw that you need to understand, you need to know. You have to guess the price of the crypto, how it's going to behave in the week, and you are going to have a lot of prizes. So I leave you in the description below how to participate today, the first chance of doing so. Are you in fear like the market 40 right now? Well, I am a little bit because Binance also broke this line, which is not good. We'll see if we can find support in this other one, or if not, like for Bitcoin and Ethereum, we have no support anymore. So the biggest fiasco for the cryptosphere might be out there. XRP going down, we need to hold in the 0.4. We'll see about that. We told you everything in past videos. And for LBC, we're not happy anymore because we went down yesterday. So what about it? Will we break this line or it was just a dream? Well, Benjamin Cohen has also bad news for Cardano, Nino, and he's telling us we are entering in depression phase. And well, maybe that's so. For him, it was 0.25 and we are down from that. So come on, Cardano, we are depressed too because we want to validate block number 100 in Cardano on the right funnel or official pool. If you want to validate with us, come with us. Thank you very much. And about Benjamin Cohen telling us also that maybe it's a bad time for Cardano, but remember that these kind of projects, the good ones, go to the lowest and then they go up again. This is Cardano, the last cycle, and he's telling us that maybe for Solana right now, a project I don't like, but maybe for Solana it's going to be the same thing. Here you have those two charts. One is Cardano. He refers to this moment and how it went up. This is a monthly chart. Maybe Solana is going to do the same. Then it's a huge, great opportunity of buying. But for me, this is an elephant that a snake ate, like in The Little Prince. We'll see about it. The bubbles in the red, the most important ones in the red, stable coins up. So that means money out of the market right now. Ethereum going down. And we are there just watching if we are able of finding support in this line, the legendary line for Ethereum, or we break it and again, there's no support anymore. And we have bad news. We told you everything in Ethereum's video because September is in history a bad month for Ethereum. Watch this video where we tell you everything you need to know and if it's a possibility or not that Ethereum goes to $50,000 eventually. And if you want to know everything about the DeFi ecosystem, you need DEXTools.io. Remember, you have this tool that I use every single day, and you have also in their Twitter account information for the contest where you can't lose and you can win a lot of prizes. So go there and use the platform every day like myself, for example, for watching Pepe and how it's going down. Bad time for Pepe. Thank you for DEXTools.io, our partners, and also for Roundup partners too from FunOntheRide. Thanks to them, everything is free for you. 5%, a lottery you can't lose, and now with huge information, like they have their new token and they have their pro version, and you can pay your pro version with the new token, so you don't spend money, because you are going to hold those tokens and then they are going to give those tokens to you back after 1 year. This is a system that is going to be, for me, the future, and they are pioneers on this. That's why I support them. R&D token. And remember, you need to join the whitelist. We have 18th of September as the day for the release, but we have a pre-sale right now. I'm eligible, and maybe you are too. So if you want, I will leave you the link in the description, and you can try and participate before at a special price. So go to the link I leave you in the description below. Of course, you need an account on Rand and an account on the exchange. I leave you the description below. You have 6 days for this pre-sale, and it's as easy on clicking in that buying button, then here in this buying button, and there you just put your credit card account, and there you go. You will see the tokens you bought right there. So interesting. So just do that, and we'll see in the future. And we have a good opportunity. And again, I'm going to buy my Pro with this. Is an utility token, and I will have it back in a year. So at least I will use those services kind of for free somehow, in my opinion, as I see it. If you want to learn all about this and more and be the first in doing so, come to our live show on Twitch. We do it almost every day, and there you can give us some love with September now with the subscription with 25% discount, or with your Prime. If you have Prime, it's free for you, and you give us like €2. So thank you very much. If you want to try Amazon Prime, use the link in my description, and also you will help us with that, and then you don't have to pay anything if you don't like it. Thank you very much. The same for Audible. This is a tool I use also every single day, I promise. So try it for free. You help us, and then if you don't like it, just do not keep on paying, but it's free for you the first 30 days, and you help us. Thank you very much. And now for the cat section here, you have some people scuba diving on the crypto winter. They have near the goal, but they can't reach it. So sad for these cats. They want their Bitcoin. What about these guys trying to avoid the crypto market, but it's difficult for them. It's difficult for us too. A holder that finally fell into desperation. Just keep on holding there, just like this guy in a washing machine is holding the period where it moves the bar. Crazy holder. Congratulations on that. And do not help us doing our laundry in the toilet. Thank you very much. Be careful with scams all there. Do not come into desperation. You better go to the gym and train for a little bit, like this guy is doing there. Okay, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Or what about this guy learning Kung Fu? What? What's that? This special effect? Kung Fu cat. Crazy stuff. More of the gym. Here this guy's training with a coach that eventually comes here and do a little bit of the training. Any case, do whatever you need, but do not feel like this guy in the crypto winter. Eventually things should go up again. I pray for that. And we share it here together, where crypto news, FunOntheRide, health, money, love, pouring in peace, and the best is yet to come. Crypto a tope. To the moon!